Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Extreme Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to boost your PC's performance in under 5 minutes. No software required. Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive in. But before we start, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Extreme Tech for more awesome content. First up, let's talk about dust. Dust is the silent killer of PC performance. It clogs up your fans, restricts airflow, and makes your system run hotter. Grab a can of compressed air and give your PC a good cleaning. Focus on the fans, the heat sinks, and any other nooks and crannies where dust might hide. Regular cleaning can prevent overheating and extend the life of your components. Next, let's optimize your startup programs. A lot of software sneakily sets itself to run at startup, which can slow you down. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus SC to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable any unnecessary programs. This will free up resources and speed up your boot times. Trust me, your boot times will thank you. Now, let's manage your background processes. Some applications run in the background even when you're not using them. Go back to Task Manager and check the Processes tab. End tasks for any apps that are hogging resources. This will free up memory and CPU power for the tasks you actually need. Just be careful not to close anything essential. If you're not sure, Google it first. Alright, moving on to hard drive space. A cluttered drive can really slow things down. Open up File Explorer and go through your files. Delete anything you don't need. This includes old downloads, duplicate files, and anything else taking up space. Don't forget to empty the recycle bin. If you've got a lot of big files, consider moving them to an external drive or cloud storage. This will free up space on your main drive and improve performance. Another quick boost comes from adjusting your power settings. Go to Control Panel, then Power Options. Switch to High Performance. This setting uses more energy, but it'll make your PC run faster. Perfect for those times when you need a little extra oomph. Now let's talk about updates. Keeping your system up to date is crucial. Go to Settings, then Update and Security. Make sure you're running the latest version of Windows and that all your drivers are updated. This can fix bugs and improve performance. Regular updates can also add new features and enhance security. One more tip, organize your desktop. Too many icons can actually slow things down. Create folders to group similar files together. Not only will it speed up your PC, but it'll also make it look cleaner. A tidy desktop can also improve your productivity by making it easier to find what you need. So, there you have it. Simple, quick tips to boost your PC's performance without installing any software. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Extreme Tech for more awesome content. Got any other tips? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tech savvy, folks.